We're here today in Rochester, Michigan, talking about the struggles and frustrations that homeowners experience and how we can help. At this particular project, we worked with a homeowner to design a new kitchen for them. The old kitchen was a galley-style kitchen. The main area was a U-shaped countertop. It was so small, our homeowners complained that there was no space for the two of them to work together. Well, we changed that by reworking the floor plan. We created a spacious, large, entertaining configuration for their new kitchen. We needed more space for this gourmet kitchen to work for how the family wants to prepare food and meals together. So we expanded the kitchen. We actually reworked the complete kitchen layout and design. We removed old soffits from the 70s. We eliminated a door so that cabinets could extend further. We ripped out a closet so cabinets could extend further. We borrowed and harvested space from the garage for a formal mudroom. Along the way, we learned another frustration for this family was that the front door was conveniently placed on the back of the home. Unfortunately, this doesn't work for how our family and their guests want to access the home. Most people would prefer to pull up in front. What we were able to do is create a more formal foyer entryway on the front of the home where guests and family can join in the kitchen. So that's exactly what we created for this family. We added a large covered front porch to allow for a spacious mudroom foyer area inside. Now there's room for family and friends to enter, to sit down, to take off their boots, hang up their coat, and come on in. If you're watching and wondering what a project like this would cost in your home, here in southeastern Michigan, we built something to help you with that. Most homeowners are just guessing. Most online estimates are unrealistic, so we created a full remodel calculator specifically for southeastern Michigan homes. Use it before starting your project so you can plan with clarity instead of guessing, because this stage is where planning starts turning into reality. When homes were built years ago, they were designed based on how folks used the home at that time. That means oftentimes smaller rooms, less outdoor living space. And we see some of the weirdest things, and we help homeowners improve. This particular home was positioned on a lovely grassy lot, but unfortunately the septic tank is placed in the front, creating a challenge for a traditional front entry door. It's for that reason this home was designed having the front door placed on the back of the home. The first few times I visited this home, I entered through the garage and I didn't even notice until my third visit that the formal place for folks that are visiting is on the back of the house and concealed, where it appears very private. The front yard here is actually much more beautiful than the backyard, and so we thought accentuating the front of the home with a covered porch would really help the family, help the aesthetics, and visitors alike. All love having a front entryway.